hallucinations and delusions are defined.
Right.
How would you explain it to the viewers and also people who don't understand what hallucination and delusion is?
Right. So it's a very basic question, Seema, like you rightly said. These are major positive symptoms. When we say positive symptoms, in the sense that this is an add on to the normal nature of the person when they have schizophrenia. Uh, Hallucination is something in which, in simple terms, it means experiencing a sensation when there is no stimulus. For example, very commonly people with schizophrenia will hear voices when actually there is nobody around them talking, but they
Okay.
tend to hear those voices as clearly as you can hear me currently. So for
Okay.
them, it's almost like somebody is having a conversation with them, or sometimes there may be multiple voices which might feel that those voices are conversing amongst themselves about the patient. Hallucinations, we call them, because like I
Yeah.
said, they're hearing hallucinations. So these are the most common, but some people may also report some visual hallucinations. Visual in the sense they see something that is actually not
Yeah.
present, that is not visible to anybody else. So, in simple terms, those are hallucinations. Now, sometimes you and I can also experience something like this. Most commonly in the current mobile era, बहुत बार होता है कि we feel कि हमारी mobile ringtone बज रही है या message बज रहा है, and we check and there's nothing. So, but
Yeah.
yeah, and then that is not actually hallucination per se. That
Okay.
is more of a habituation, because we are so used to hearing that. So
Okay.
sometimes we tend to think कि कहीं बजा तो नहीं. It's based on a memory. And for it to be diagnosed as schizophrenia, those hallucinations have to be persistent, present clearly. When the patient is conscious in a clear sense, that is when they're experiencing it. That is when we call it a hallucination due to schizophrenia. If it's one off, random, if it is at a time when the
Okay.
patient's consciousness is not clear, then those are not due to schizophrenia. Delusion is a false, firm belief that the patient will have, irrespective of any evidence provided to them. Supposing somebody feels कि कोई मेरे पीछे पड़ा है, somebody is against me, somebody is trying to persecute me, and आप उनको कितने भी evidence उसके लिए दे दो कि ऐसा नहीं है, nothing like this is happening, irrespective of that, they would not budge from their belief. Now this is very possible. Like I'm saying, somebody actually may be following them or persecuting them, but there can be certain bizarre delusions also that people can have. Somebody has inserted a chip in my brain, and somebody is controlling me out of that chip, and which is
Okay.
really improbable to happen, that somebody will open your brain and insert it without any incision, and आप imaging करा लो, CT करा लो, MRI करा लो, उनको proof दे दो, irrespective of that they feel no, they will come up with different explanations. So any false firm belief that is strongly held, even though evidence is provided against it, then those are labeled as delusion, and there can be multiple types of delusion.